Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorials. In our today tutorial, I'll be taking you on how to create a 3D model for flood simulation. As you can see, on a movement of water, the flooding area due to excessive rainfall, blocking of drainage system, when river banks are full and the water are being discharged to the environment, and then the 3D modeling. This is it. So this 3D flood simulation is a powerful tool that helps to predict and visualize the impact of flooding on communities and infrastructure. 3D, the 3D is a three-dimensional model of an area that is prone to what? Flooding. So now let's begin to our ArcGIS. You can see the movement of water. Now you have added our data. Let's navigate to our catalog. For this catalog, you are going to create a new shapefile. Let's call it water 2. Then the feature type will be polygon. Let's edit the color system. I'm using UTM. And then zoom 31 and OK. Having done that, let's navigate to our table of content, then start our editor. Click on water 2, OK, continue. Now let's go to editor again and bring out the create future panel. Scroll down the editor window, create future. Click on that, select polygon. You can also use rectangle. Now you have created our polygon. Let's save and stop editing. Let's open our attribute table on the polygon we have created. Add new field. Let's call it water 20, water 20. OK. On this, we are using the lower base of our original name, which is 1. Then save, edit, then stop editing, close. The next thing is for us to convert this polygon to raster. If you are going to select water 20 and then navigate to the folder of your choice. Let's navigate to the file. Here I have simulation. Let's navigate it further. Okay, flow simulation. Know that we are converting the shapefile to raster. Then save. Okay. Now we have created our raster. Let's open our ArcGIS. Make sure that your 3D is thick. The ArcGIS and animation. Let's now get to the folder and here we save this data. Okay, so let's drag see, and then the Nigerian thing. See, yeah, then I click to properties. Then you could float to custom. Okay. Please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share so other people can also be beneficial to this tutorial. Then it's trying to scene property. Then click calculate from extent, apply, and OK. Now let's change the color of our dim. Can see. Then let's change the color of our raster. Let's turn to properties, symbologies, unique value. Then change this color. Blue. Apply. Okay. Can see. So we have activated our animation manager. Here we are going to choose the water 20, the new create. So the color of the tutorial, I'm using the lower base of my dim, and then on the interval of 5, that gives you 6. So the data are computing. Okay. can choose the color. That will be 66, 71, great more, 76, 81, 83, 86, 91, 96, 110, 100. Let's now get to option. Let's use navigation 20. Then look forward and revise. So let's play and see also far. I see a movement of water, the penetration of water to the environment, to settlements, please do subscribe to my channel, like and share, so that other people also can be beneficial to this video as well. So let's add more flame to what we had before. Yeah, take this out. Yeah, 30. I see. Pressure water to environment. I see the movement of water. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, so as other people out there can also be a beneficiary. That's the movement. Please like my channel, subscribe. can see the flow of water. Like, share. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.